Hello, kids, and welcome back. Today, we have a fun Sheriff Labrador sound quiz.
But we need
Listen
to learn
carefully
how
to
to
each
call
sound
watermelon
and
pop
try to
rocks.
guess the Sheriff Labrador
The
character before
antelope
the
bought
answer
them
appears.
all.
Lots of pop rocks.
Are you ready to play?
Wanna try?
Let the sound challenge begin. Please subscribe the channel for more videos. Can you get this first sound? Which Sheriff Labrador character sounds like this?
Sometimes. But we need to learn how to calm down sometimes. But we
Yes, that is Sheriff Labrador.
sometimes. But we need to learn how to calm down.
Ready for the next sound? Which character sound do you hear now?
Whoa! A giant bubble! I'm gonna catch.
You got it. That is Little Mole.
Whoa! A giant bubble! I'm gonna catch.
Listen closely to this fun sound. Which animal character could it be?
Or watermelon pop rocks. A lady antelope bought them all.
That is Mr. Frog.
Or watermelon pop rocks. A lady antelope bought them all.
This sound feels calm and steady. Which character matches this
I've been
sound?
hiding forever. The police won't find. I've been hiding.
Correct. That is Mr. Turtle.
I've been hiding forever. The police won't find.
Here comes a smart and serious sound. Which character
Lots of
sounds
pop
like
rocks.
this?
Wanna try? Lots of pop rocks.
That is Dr. Antel.
Lots of pop rocks. Wanna
This
try?
sound feels friendly and warm. Which character could it belong to?
My little brother suddenly disappeared. Could Antel have taken him?
Yes, that is Brother Seal.
My little brother suddenly disappeared. Could Antel have taken him?
Now listen to this strong officer sound. Which character is on duty
Try.
here?
Hands up. Deep breath. Get down.
That is Officer Doberman.
Let me try. Hands up. Deep breath. Get down.
This sound feels brave and cheerful. Which young character is
miss it?
this?
One more try.
Correct. That is Little Lion.
Did I miss it? One more try.
Here comes a gentle and kind sound. Which character do you hear?
Come inside for some ice cream. Bet you didn't think I was a baddie, huh?
That is Miss Alpaca.
Come inside for some ice cream. Bet you didn't think I was a baddie, huh?
This sound feels clever and bold. Which character matches it?
Uh-oh.
Yes, that is Mr. Wolf.
Uh-oh.
Listen to this playful splashy sound. Which character could it be? That is Little Otter. This sound feels picky and cute. Which character is it?
Give me back my donuts!
Correct. That is Picky Rabbit.
Give me back my donuts!
Now hear this strong sheriff sound. Which character
Not
sounds
so
like
easy.
this?
You need to pass a tough test.
That is Sheriff Cane Corso.
Not so easy. You need to pass a tough test.
This sound feels small and sweet. Which character fits it?
That he turned into a monster! He got so mad that he...
Yes, that is Little Rabbit.
He got so mad that he turned into a monster!
Here comes a big and powerful sound. Which
Guess
character
I
do you
need a
hear?
stronger floor. No? Did he get in trouble with the ball?
That is Mr. Buffalo.
Guess I need a stronger floor. No? Did he get in trouble with the ball again?
Final sound of this challenge. Which character closes the round?
There! Pee-Pee Rabbit, take your time and enjoy your meal!
Yes, that is Sheriff Papillon.
I'll be right there! Pee-Pee Rabbit, take your time and enjoy your meal!
Great job, everyone. How many Sheriff Labrador characters did you guess correctly? Tell us your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this fun sound quiz, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting kids challenges. See you in the next video.